What if in your RenPy game you have a bit of dialogue that doesn't match the voice acting?
If you do, I'll block you.
Now this is a very simple change, but since I have auto voice enabled in the config, if I change the script inside the RenPy file, it's going to delink the audio file. So what do? In the code we can see it says, if you do, I'll block your number, but it's voiced as, if you do, I'll block you. The first thing we're going to do is open up the RenPy SDK and go to extract dialog. I like these parameters, strip text tags from dialog. What this does is it gets rid of the weight tags, the font tags, anything that would affect the readability of the voice line. So for example, when I shared the script with the voice actors, I didn't put yay, wait, 0.2, thank you, wait, 0.1, thank you, wait, 0.1. That would have just been too stupid to read. But not to go on a tangent, hit continue. It's going to extract the dialogue into a .tab file, which is similar to a CSV, except the columns are separated by tabs. We're going to open the game directory, and then we're going to back out one to the game name. In this case, the game is titled Reaper Trio, and we're going to see that there's a dialog.tab file here. Let's double click to open. So I'm going to search for, if you do, I'll block your number. I'll block. All right, here we go. If you use RenPy's auto voice feature, then you should know that the ID of the say block will link the voice file to the dialogue. So we're going to copy this ID, and we're going to go back to VS Code, and we're going to type in ID and then paste the ID. And this will hard link this bit of dialogue to this ID, no matter how much this changes. If we look at the RenPy documentation, we can see that this is also used for preserving translations, because if you adjust any line in the dialogue that has a translation, it will delink that translation as well. So back to VS Code. I'm going to change this to what the voice actor has said. If you do, I'll block you. Save that. And we're going to reload. I'm going to hit Alt-R, which reloads the game, and we should hear the voice acting in the next line.
If you do, I'll block you.
This is useful if you have a lot of voice lines and you're concerned about any given voice line delinking.